It ran all night from 5:15 last night to 6 o'clock this morning. Was pretty accurate. I just bumped it up to see what it was on, and it did strike 6 times. And it was about 5 minutes slow, so it's looking good. I'm going to put it back in the case. The movement is in and the bellows are hooked up. It ran all night good, so now we test it hooked up to the clock. A little birdie didn't come out. Alright, well, a minute ago I did this without the camera running and it would not shut off. It continued to run till the weight dropped to the floor. So, I was going to video to show you what you need to adjust, which would be your arm there, so that that arm is a little closer to your bird post. That's why my bird didn't come out. But also, that arm affects all of this coming on and shutting off. So, since we tested it all night in the stand, it's got to be something having to do with the bellows being hooked up. So, I turned the video on to roll, and it just works like it's supposed to. So, let's try it again from the back side. Went into warning. So it ran through the half hour. It should have shut off, and then it did shut off on the hour. That was the half hour. This should be 3 o'clock. Four o'clock, sorry. Warning. Half hour. Didn't do anything. Half hour. Warning. 5 o'clock. So I'm just going to continue to run around and check all of the times, make sure it's turning off like it's supposed to on the hours and the half hours, and counting each one right. Make sure that there's not 1 hour it's skipping or getting stuck on. These old clocks tend to like to do that. Hanging on the wall all back together. We'll give it a try. I think it gongs too fast. I will probably put lighter weights on this, because when I tried that, it gonged much slower. The strike sequence ran more like a normal speed, so I think these are the wrong weights. 2.5 pounds a piece. I think that's a bit much. One of the other ones that I've got are running on 100 gram, 800 grams, I guess. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Here it is with the other weights from my other antique clocks that have about 1.75 pounds instead of 2.5 pounds. It's much more like it's supposed to be. So, probably be getting some smaller weights. Anyway, it was a good project. I don't know why my camera won't, the light's not right. It's not, it's doing something weird. But anyway, thanks for watching.